Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Zakia Kautsari. You can call me Zakia. I live in Kota Bumi, Lampung Utara. I'm 17 years old. I'm here to deliver an article entitled The Importance of Moral Education for the Young Generation. The importance of moral education for the young generation. Moral education is education that not only teaches academic and non-academic matters. Moral education refers to with a good attitude and behavior in everyday live within the family environment and public environment. Moral education in the family environment sets a teaching honesty, discipline, and politeness. Moral education in a family environment such as teaching honesty, discipline, and politeness are very important. Honesty in teaching at the family environment is a basic thing that must be owned because honesty is a very expensive thing. Because if we are lying, it will be difficult to restore the trust given. Discipline teaching in the family environment is to train the independence of a child and shape the character of a person. It also necessary to instill the teaching of politeness in the family environment, namely forming virtuous children and respect for both parents. However, in this era of globalization, many young people have no morals, like us loss of respect for parents. Therefore, the importance of instilling moral education in the family from an early age so that later the children will have good morals. Apart from being in the family environment, moral education in the public also needs to be taught to the younger generation. Moral education in the public that needs to be taught are such a sense of tolerance, a sense of nationalism, and a sense of care for the environment. Instill a sense of tolerance in the public so that they can respect its difference, for example, differences of ethnicity, nation, religion, and opinion during deliberation. Instilling a sense of nationalism also needs to be taught in order to show a sense of loyalty and respect for the nation, and also instill sense of care for the environment. A sense of caring for the environment needs to be done by not littering. However, in this era of globalization, there are many young people who cannot accept opinions, which can create quarrels, loss of tolerance, and loss of care for the environment like littering. Therefore, moral cultivation in the community needs to be instilled from an early age so that it does not become public stress. Conclusion: the importance of moral education for the young generation now starts from the family. If moral values are embodied from the family, then within the public, moral values are embodied, as well as the importance of choosing friends, so that you are not wrong in the relationship. The importance of moral education for the young generation now is ordered to uplift the nation's dignity and be able to create a moral youth generation. It is hoped that in the future moral education can be carried out properly. So so many articles that I can deliver. If there is a wrong word, apologies. Hopefully it can be useful for all of you. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.